All right, it is the first day of Mustang Week, Tuesday, April 14th. Me and Marcus are gonna be heading out today to Mustang Week in Galveston to check out some of the cars. I'm actually super excited because I have never personally been to one of these before. It's gonna be my first Mustang Week, and I mean, I now have my first Mustang, so I feel like it's appropriate that we do go to that. I don't really know what to expect. I mean, obviously a lot of Mustangs, but I don't know, like, is it gonna be a lot of like boosted fast ones? Is it gonna be a lot of like show Mustangs, you know, like a mix of the two? I've never been, so I have no idea what to expect. I was also sent a drying towel to give a try, so I'm gonna go ahead, back the car out, give it a wash, and then I'm gonna check out this towel, and we'll see how good it dries the car. Because right now I have some Walmart ones, and honestly they like kind of streak and they don't really collect the water that well. I'm actually super excited to try this, so let me get this car backed out, get it washed, and then I'm gonna dry this. All right, so upon opening the package, it comes in this really nice bag, and when I open it up here, I was actually really shocked the first time I held this thing. You can tell it's like very high quality. It's super heavy, feels super durable. I was actually super shocked when I opened this up for the first time. So I'm just gonna showcase here some footage of me drying the car. As you see, the first pass, this thing takes all the water off the car. In my opinion, drying the car is super overlooked. If you don't dry the car properly after you wash it, you pretty much just wash the car for nothing and wasted all of your time, because the car is gonna look like trash because you're gonna have water spots all over the car. So I would recommend you stop using cheap drying towels. You're just literally wasting your time. Switch to the tough towel, and I could probably dry my car 2 to 3 times with this towel without even wringing it out. I was actually super surprised how well this thing retains water. It's gonna leave no streaks, scratches. As you can see, I'm doing one smooth pass and it's completely drying everything. So if you care about your paint, then this thing is pretty huge, because cheap towels that you're gonna find in normal like auto stores, they're gonna leave micro scratches over time in your paint, and obviously you do not want that. So this one is super soft. It's extremely thick. I was actually super surprised how thick this thing was, and honestly, it just makes washing your car way faster. It's gonna cut your drying time in half. So if you're tired of going over the same spots 2 or 3 times, then this towel is gonna be 100% worth it. Use my link at the top of the description and go ahead and grab yourself one.
That's fine. Yeah. Brian, you have to see one of these in person. Bro, this color is crazy. Yeah, look at the wing. You see the Mustang underneath? You see them like add like Mustang underneath the wing? Bro, this is crazy.
The Ford had a big trailer and it was yeah, it was like, yeah.
That is sick. What's like the MSRP on those? Is it like 300 or some shit? More? 500?
About like 3 homes.
500K?
I can get the house in 2.5.
Yo, that thing is crazy. Dude, in the wide body, bro. I still don't think it's worth 500K, but.
Get a lot of the car, bro.
Huh? Oh, like literally like right on it? Michaela's color. So we need to get you one of these.
One of us. I can drive that.
I still really like those two.
Mach 1.
Lock it up. No, I found a color you like. Dude, look at this color. Come here. What? What? No way. This color's way better.
I like this one more than the other two.
I like this color a lot. It's Whipple too. Yo, this thing is tough.
I think it's super steak.
Dude, look at that carbon too. I kind of want to do this, like the carbon intakes and the like the radiator like tray. Oh. Yeah, this thing is tough. Red lid to match. Red VMP lid.
Your phone and wallet, which is a really rough day, and you'll know it's pretty quickly. It is over at the registration tent. Once again, if you
Another one. This is a nice color too. What is this? Like rose gold?
Yeah, it's a dark one.
Yo, this is sick too. Paint match.
Better blower on it. That's sick.
That's one thing I need to get. I need to get a catch can. I don't have a catch can. Yo, look at this engine. Yo. Yeah, that might be the craziest engine bay I've ever seen.
I'll see if these guys come.
Bro, there's lights on the intakes, bro.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
All right, folks, again, thank you so much for coming out to the LA kickoff party here.
Yeah, I know. I liked it as well. That's why I want to come over
Make sure
here.
you get your out, so make sure you cruise over there and get what you like. Tomorrow, we are going to be at the Motor Speedway Resort.
Let's go back over towards Sam.
We got high performance driving experience, autocross, go-kart racing, and more. Don't miss your chance to put your pony on the track, even if it's your first time here at Mustang Week.
We got ears. We got ears. Oh, did I? We can get one. We got ears. POV. Yo, you're. I didn't know you parked right here.
That looks like my car. One dude said he came from Puerto Rico.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's crazy.
This color's crazy too. It's mint. This is a purple you like too? Paint match too. Bro, this looks crazy on camera too. It looks almost blue.
Oh, nice to meet you. Marcus.
I love your car.
Thank you.
Right, he's so nervous right now. He's so nervous right now. It's like salmon. Look, and they got the carbon fiber intake. It's Whipple too. Bro, this thing is crazy. Yeah. Bro, look at the wheels. Oh, he's on that expensive air ride. This is literally the GT500 that was at Pat's shop that I filmed like a couple weeks ago. I still want one of these, but these things are so clean.
The kids are pulling out, man.
Yeah, I know. We should low-key go over that. Kayla.
They're just itching to get some.
I know. These cops don't give a shit though. Oh, I think he's parked up. I think he's turned around parked.